Good morning friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss one of the gate question which came in the year 1998 related to overlay concept. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. In the contiguous allocation, we have two types of partitions. One is the fixed size partition and another one is variable size partition. In fixed size partition, the main memory is divided into fixed number of partitions where the size of each partition may be same or different. Let's consider that we have a main memory other than operating system. The free space is 32 KB and we have divided into 4 partitions and the size of each partition is same. Then each partition size will be 8 KB because you have total free space is 32 KB, and if you divide it into 4 equal partitions, then each partition will have 8 KB because 32 KB by 4 is equal to 8 KB. Let's take that one of the processor requires 16 KB. And if you have to follow the contiguous allocation, can you allocate any one partition for this process of size of 16 KB? It is not possible. Some people may say that, sir, partition 1 is having 8 KB, partition 2 is having 8 KB, so you combine them. That is not possible because spanning is not allowed. Part of the process cannot be kept in one partition and remaining part cannot be kept in another partition. So that is not allowed. To overcome this problem, earlier what they have used is they used the concept called overlay concept. So to avoid the external fragmentation problem, earlier people used to use the concept called overlay. Nowadays we are not using this concept. Okay, whatever the concept we are using now, I will discuss in the coming videos. Okay, so I hope you have understood about the motivation behind the overlay concept. Now let me discuss how the overlay concept will work. Even the process size is 16 KB. At a time, all the 16 KB is not required for the execution. So the programmer has to write the program such a way that some part of the process will be stored in the main memory and it will be executed, and then remaining part like that it has to be done. Okay, but the operating system will not support it. So the programmer has to write a program such a way that take the part of the program and load it into the main memory, execute it, then keep it back and then load the remaining one. All these things the program has to do. It is very complex process. Related to this concept, one of the gate question was given in the year 1998. First let me read out the question, then I will discuss the solution with you. Look at the question. The overlay tree for a program is as shown below. They have a root. Each one is a one module. Root is a one module, A is another module, D, E, B, F, C, Z are the modules. Now the size of each module is 2 KB, 4 KB, so on. What will be the size of partition in physical memory required to load and run this program? They have given 4 options. Option A is 12 KB, option B is 14 KB, option C is 10 KB, option D is 8 KB. Now, in overlay concept, we have to run any one part of the program at a time. Am I right or wrong? So, root A, D can be one module. Combined, we can run. Root A, E can be run. Or root B, F can be run at a one time. Root C, Z can be run at one time. Because all this one will not be combined run. Is it clear in overlay? So, you have a root A and D, this is one, then root A, E is another one, root B, F is another combination, root C and G is the another combination. So any one of them will be running at a time. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? Now if you look at the size of each one, root size is how much? 2 KB, and A size is 4 KB, and D size is 6 KB. Okay, keep that one. Then root is 2, A is 4, and E is 8 KB. Root is 2, B is 6, and F is 2. And then root is 2 KB, C is 8 KB, and G is 4 KB. Is it clear? Are you able to understand it or not? Now if you look at 2 plus 4 plus 6 is how much? 12 kb. 2 plus 4 plus 8 is how much? 14 kb. 6 plus 2 plus 2 is 10 kb. 2 plus 8 plus 4 is how much? 14 kb. So, if it is root A and D, it requires 12 kb. If it is root AE, it requires 14 kb. Root B and F, it requires 10 kb. Root CG, it requires a partition of 14 kb. Now, among them, which one you will take? You have to take the maximum. So the max of 12, 14, 10, 14 is 14 kb. So your partition size should be at least 14 kb to run this program using the overlays concept. That is what they are asking. What will be the size of partition in physical memory? Physical memory is nothing but your main memory required to load and run this program, which is 14 kb. Option A is saying 12 kb is wrong. Option B, they are saying 14 kb is right. Option C, they are saying 10 kb wrong. Option D, they are saying 8 kb is wrong. So the right answer for this question is option B. I hope you have understood how I solve this question. If you still have any doubts related to this concept or related to this question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.